Tea Break Academy. Solve the equation, skip the frustration, maths in a mug, your tea break education. Square numbers and cube numbers. Understanding powers, squares and cubes. Have you ever seen numbers like 4 squared or 3 cubed and wondered what they mean? Why is 4 squared equals 16, but 4 times 2 is equal to 8? Today, we're going to learn about square numbers and cube numbers, and how they help us understand numbers in a new way. Learning objective. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what square and cube numbers are. Calculate square and cube numbers. Recognize patterns in square and cube numbers. What is a square number? A square number is a number multiplied by itself. Number times number. Examples. 2 squared is equal to 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 squared is equal to 4 times 4 equals 16. Why is it called square? Because it can form a perfect square shape. Example. 4 squared equals 16 can make a 4 by 4 square. Square numbers in order. Square numbers are numbers multiplied by themselves. N squared equals n times n. 1 squared equals 1. 2 squared equals 4. 3 squared equals 9. 4 squared equals 16. 5 squared equals 25. 6 squared equals 36. 7 squared equals 49. 8 squared equals 64. 9 squared equals 81. 10 squared equals 100. Quick pattern tip. Look at the differences. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. They increase by +3, +5, +7, +9. Square numbers grow by odd numbers. Student tip. Try to remember common square numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. This will help you solve questions much faster. What is a cube number? A cube number is a number multiplied by itself 3 times. Number times number times number. Examples. 2 cubed is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. 3 cubed is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. 4 cubed is equal to 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. Why is it called cube? Because it can form a 3D cube shape. 2 cubed is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. 3 cubed is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. 4 cubed is equal to 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. 5 cubed is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. 6 cubed is equal to 6 times 6 times 6 equals 216. Key points. Square equals multiply a number by itself. Cube equals multiply a number by itself 3 times. Square numbers grow slower than cube numbers. The small number, like squared or cubed, is called a power. Question 1. Square, area. Problem. A square garden has a side length of 5 meters. What is the area of the garden? Step 1. Understand the formula. Area of a square equals side times side. Step 2. Calculate the square. 5 squared is equal to 5 times 5. Step 3. Work out the answer. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Final answer. The area is 25 square meters. Question 2. Cube, storage box. Problem. A cube storage box has a side length of 4 meters. What is the volume of the box? Step 1. Use the cube formula. Volume equals side cubed. Step 2. Calculate. 4 cubed is equal to 4 times 4 times 4. Step 3. Work out the answer. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. 16 times 4 is equal to 64. Final answer. The volume is 64 cubic meters. Question 3. Mixed thinking. Problem. Which is larger? 6 squared or 3 cubed? Step 1. Calculate both. 6 squared is equal to 6 times 6 equals 36. 3 cubed is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Step 2. Compare. 36 bigger than 27. Final answer. 6 squared is larger. Independent practice. Pause the video and try. Calculate the answers. Question 1, 7 squared. Question 2, 5 cubed. Question 3, 10 squared. Question 4, 4 cubed. Question 5, what number squared equals 81? Question 6, what number cube equals 64? Answers. 7 squared equals 49. 5 cubed equals 125. 10 squared equals 100. 4 cubed equals 64. 9 squared equals 81. 4 cubed equals 64. Key reminder. A square number is a number multiplied by itself. A cube number is a number multiplied by itself 3 times. The small number, squared or cubed, tells you how many times to multiply. That's the end of our lesson on square numbers and cube numbers. Today, you have learned what square numbers are, what cube numbers are, how to calculate them, how to use them in real-life problems. If you're not confident yet, watch the video again and practice more questions. Keep practicing, and you'll get better and faster. See you in the next lesson. Mug empty, problem solved. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to join the Academy. Share the knowledge and keep watching the next Maths Explained to stay ahead. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep your tea hot and your brain sharp. See you soon.